Hey coders, today we're pitting two popular code editors against each other, Geany versus Visual Studio Code, or Vscode. We'll break down what each one offers, compare them, and help you decide which is best for your needs. Let's dive in. First up, Geany. Geany is a lightweight open source text editor with IDE features. Built for speed, it uses the GTK toolkit, runs on Windows, Linux, and macOS, and supports over 50 programming languages like Python, C, and Java. With a simple interface, built-in terminal, and plugin support, it's perfect for quick edits or small projects. Geany's small footprint makes it ideal for older hardware or low-resource environments. Now, Visual Studio Code. Developed by Microsoft, Vscode is a powerful, free, and open-source editor for Windows, Linux, macOS, and even Chrome OS. It boasts IntelliSense for smart code completion, a vast extension marketplace, integrated Git, and advanced debugging tools. Its customizable UI and monthly updates make it a favorite for modern web and cloud development. So, how do they stack up? Geany is super lightweight, launching fast even on Raspberry Pi, but its plugin ecosystem is limited and debugging tools are basic. Vscode, while heavier, offers unmatched features, a built-in terminal, extensive extensions for language like Java, Script, or Go, and robust code navigation. Geany shines for simple scripts or resource-constrained systems, while Vscode excels in complex projects, team workflows, or extension-heavy setups. So, which is better? Choose Geany for quick, no-fuss coding on lightweight machines. Pick Vscode for feature-rich development, especially for web, cloud, or large-scale projects. Check out our comparison chart below to see more details, and that's it. Which editor do you prefer? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy coding!